Okay, we're down at East 55th Street Marina today, or this evening. It is November, either the 7th or the 8th, I don't know. I'm retired, what the hell. 2024. Walking down the dock here. And we'll pass some boats here. These guys are all here for the fall brawl. Some boats here. Got a couple DB boats here. Johnny Gribble. Shout out to Johnny Gribble. DB Marine. Madison, Ohio. Yep. Hey, Johnny. Great Marine Service. We're cruising down here. All the way down towards the end here. It looks like Nick already took off. There's a boat coming in over here. So Nick's out for the night bite. A few boats sitting in here. It's a little windy out, but I'm sure the guys are doing all right. The guys that are out. Yep. We know the bite during the day was pretty darn good. We pulled over 20 fish in a fairly short period of time. So we're hoping for them walleye to come in close tonight. There's another boat rigged up, ready to go. Back over here, DB boat sitting at the dock. Nobody going out tonight on DB. And then we got the contender over here. Oh yeah, look at that. Triple dipple. We call that triple dipple 300s. Beautiful boat. It's long and narrow. You can see, I'm pretty much down here by myself. No one around, no one fishing. What a beautiful night. Water temperature's great. Wind's a little brisk, but not too bad. Over there we got the fish cleaning truck. Yes, sir. Mobile fish cleaning unit right on the spot here. If that's here, the fish are here. So if you want to find out where the fish are, I'd look for that big blue mobile fish cleaning truck, because he's usually where the fish are. Yep. Looks like he's open and cutting. All right, enjoy your evening. Stay tuned.